The King of Wands sits upon his throne with unmistakable authority, radiating vision, confidence, and the raw sovereignty of fire fully mastered. As fire of fire, he embodies leadership shaped by passion, charisma, and decisive will. Where the page discovers inspiration, the knight pursues it, and the queen cultivates it into steady flame, the king directs fire outward, turning vision into action and potential into achievement. The wand he holds is the first central symbol. Tall, sturdy, and sprouting green leaves, it represents creative power that has matured into influence. This is not the exploratory wand of the page, nor the action-driven wand of the knight. It is a scepter of command. In his hand, fire becomes vision, purposeful, strategic, and generative. His throne, decorated with lions and salamanders, forms the second symbol. Lions signify courage, nobility, and solar authority. Salamanders, creatures of fire, represent resilience, transformation, and the ability to thrive within flame. Many salamanders form circles, symbolizing eternal fire and self-sustaining creative force. The throne reveals his nature as a leader who channels passion responsibly. His posture and expression form the third symbol. Unlike the static authority of the King of Pentacles or the contemplative gaze of the King of Cups, this king leans slightly forward, ready to rise. His eyes scan the horizon. He is a sovereign who acts, decisive, engaged, and unwilling to sit still when something calls him forward. His focus reflects vision and readiness. The desert landscape behind him is the fourth symbol. This barren terrain, also shared by the page and knight, becomes transformed through his presence. The king thrives even in harsh environments, showing mastery over adversity and the ability to create opportunity where others see limitation. Fire does not depend on circumstance, it shapes circumstance. His bright flame-colored robe forms the fifth symbol. Its bold oranges and yellows express vitality, creative force, and inner fire made visible. The robe reveals identity rooted in passion, strategic instinct, and self-confidence, fire worn openly as both armor and signature. Together, these symbols portray the King of Wands as the visionary leader, the entrepreneur, the pioneer who inspires others by embodying his mission. He is the archetype of directed passion, courageous, innovative, and motivational. In readings, he may represent a charismatic leader, a mentor, an entrepreneur, or the querent stepping into authority, initiative, and bold self-expression. His shadow warns of impatience or domination, yet his core teaching remains. True leadership ignites the others through purpose and integrity.